Welcome to SC Custom Designs, and you're wondering why is he showing me his thrust bearings. Okay, so hopefully what you did notice was all of the buildup on the blade. There's a lot of buildup on the blade, and so what I want to do, let's turn the light back on here, is share a real quick tip with you. If you know me, there's no such thing as quick. How to get that pitch off of the blade. Now, this is a very, very fine blade, and I use it a lot in these circumstances for the bandsaw boxes. When you're coming down with your cut and you have to make this critical turn like this, these types of blades really come in handy. And so this is not my original discovery. I saw this on YouTube, and I thought I would share the tip, and let's see how well it works. All right, so we have a lot of pitch built up on there. Now there's ideas where you can take mineral oils and wipe it off that way, so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and give this a try. There's various methods. Let's give it a try. Again, this is SC Custom Designs. If you like what you're viewing here, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit of noise here. I'm going to blow out various areas here with the Okay, I hear a little bit of an issue in there, and I think I know what it is. The rubber got caught on the bearing down here, so we got to pull that off. Okay, so I thought I would give this a try, and I will say that the first time I did it, when the pitch was fresh, that it came off a lot faster. But as you can see, well, hopefully you can see, it's hard to get the camera to focus in on the blade. A lot of that is gone now. I'm going to fire it up again. Okay, so another very useful, the actual intentions for this rubber stick is actually to clean off your belt sanders or sandpaper. Watch this, if you haven't seen it before. patiently waiting for the compressor to stop. So there we go. So what did we learn? We learned that this rubber stick was effective. 100% effective? No, but it was effective in getting a lot of the pitch. And the pitch was already dried on there. Like I said earlier on, really you want to clean it up when it's fresh, not several days later. And also what happened was some of the rubber got caught in there, so I'm going to have to inspect it further. I also heard a little bit of noise over in this area, almost as if the blade was hitting on something. So we'll have to look at that. But hey, there's your tip of the day. If you've never heard of such a thing, it had its value. Now you got to sacrifice your block a little bit here, but this is the main one I'm using now. So it really comes in handy in cleaning off your sandpaper, your hand palm sanders, whatever sandpaper you got there. These little drums here, and your bandsaw blade. If you like what you saw, give us thumbs up, thumbs down. Definitely give me a thumbs down for that noise. But we are trying to build our channel on YouTube, so please subscribe to our channel. We will get back to your comments. We like your comments, both negative and positive. We just want to know the truth about things. Give us your ideas too. So SD Custom Designs, thanks for coming into my shop. Thanks. God bless.